For anyone struggling on where to start your cosplay journey, I got you. So when I was doing my Commander Keller cosplay, I started by just looking up pictures, anything I could find, whether it was comics or reference art. Sometimes even some fan art can be helpful if you're trying to find little details. But I would do just a ton of research and just gather images, as many angles as I can find, showing as many little pieces as you can see. And that really helps you get a better understanding of what all is going to go into the end product. So once I had all my pictures, I usually like to break it down by all the different pieces I'm going to need. So whether that's, the armor, the cloth, the accessories, and then you can even get more granular once you have kind of a general overview in terms of like individual materials you're going to need. But this is just kind of a list of all the pieces that need to be made in order to bring the cosplay together. So once you have that, I'd personally like to head over to Amazon, but you can go to Joann's or Michael's or wherever, and you just need to start looking up materials. So, for me, that's going to be a ton of 3D printer filament and then all the soft stuff. So for this cosplay, that was some cloth. Sometimes it is some leather pieces, some rubber pieces, whatever materials you think you're going to need. I just like to get a general shopping list so I kind of have a ballpark of how much this is going to cost, and then I can kind of look for better deals or better substitutes from there. And so for this particular one, because I do a lot of 3D printing, then the next part of the process is to slice up all the files. So I just show the helmet here, but this is really more to get an idea of how much filament I'm going to need. Obviously, as you're printing, you're going to have to change some settings and reslice things and whatever. But this kind of gives you a good idea on how much filament you're going to need, so you can order it all at the beginning rather than having to continuously wait while you order more, wait for it to get here. If you don't live near somewhere you can go get it. But yeah, that's pretty much my process on research. Let me know what you guys do when you're looking up projects and if you think I missed anything. Thanks for watching.